Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to set dark mode on your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. First of all, go to settings of your phone here, then go to display, then here select dark mode. If you select dark option, instantly dark mode will be applied. If you click on dark mode settings, you can customize dark mode. Click on dark mode settings now, and here you can turn on as scheduled. Just turn on this button. Here by default it is set to sunset to sunrise, so sunset timing and sunrise timing will be detected automatically by your phone, and then at the time dark mode will be automatically applied. Okay, if you want to set custom schedule, click on custom schedule here and click on set schedule. Here you can set your own start time and end time. Here I set start time as 18:05 or 18:10 p.m. Okay, 18:10, that is 6:10 p.m. Okay, then click on end time. Here select end time. I select here end time 7:45 a.m. on next day. Okay, click on done. So between this time, that is 6:10 p.m. on a day, and next day 7:45 a.m. dark mode will be automatically applied. Okay, on all other times light mode will be activated. So in this way you can easily customize dark mode as well. Okay, if you would like to instantly apply dark mode, click on this and instantly dark mode will be applied. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.